Oh, good afternoon. Welcome to Time Safari Inc. How may I assist you today?
Yeah, I came to hunt dinosaurs. Does this company guarantee my safe return?
Well, sir, we guarantee dinosaurs to hunt.
Well, we shall see about that.
Right through this door, you'll find Travis. He'll be your safari guide on your expedition.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Loud in here though.
Hello, I'm Travis.
I'm Eccles. Now let's see what all this fuss is about.
Right this way and watch your step as you enter.
Believe it or not, I'm a bit excited to hunt me a T-Rex for sure. If we actually see.
First
any
off,
dinosaurs.
listen to me. All the dinosaurs that we hunt have been pre-selected and marked. Those marked are the ones you're allowed to hunt. The one that you'll be hunting will die this evening nonetheless of a tree that will kill it in the event that you don't. Stay on the path, stay close, we'll get you back home just in time for supper.
So exciting.
We've arrived. Now remember, if you veer off the path or disturb the slightest
Yeah.
thing,
Ugh.
are you paying attention? This is serious.
Are we gonna hunt or what?
Grab a gun and let's go.
Yes, mother. Freaks like rancid socks out here.
Stay on the path. There are many deadly things out here. It's nothing. It's just a butterfly. Be quiet. Stay quiet and move slowly. We'll head this way. Just watch my back. Remain calm.
Don't worry, I'm ready for anything that comes my way. What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that?
Shh, Eccles. I think I see something behind those trees.
Where?
Wait for me. My leg.
Forget about this, I'm out of here! You're on your own, buddy!
Wait. Stay on the path. Wait for me.
Go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Wait for me. Can't get home without me.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Go home. What happened?
Something went wrong. What went wrong?
Travis,
What is it?
take a look at this. It's changed.
Eccles, what have you done?
No, wait! We can figure this out! We can figure this out!
What's that under your foot?
Oh no! Regret! How could it? It couldn't be because of a simple little...
Yes, it is.